Introducing Geographe Specialised Tooling, ball stud, bearing installation and removal tool, or BSBIRT. Let's look at removal. Traditionally a hazardous task, the BSBIRT makes it controlled and predictable. Start by exposing the ball stud. Place the capsule over the stud. It's designed to capture the assembly safely during removal, preventing projectile risks. Slide the body on and rotate the locking lever 180 degrees. You'll feel it click into the locked position. Secure, simple, and tool-free. Slide the hydraulic cylinder into the body, making sure to use the correct retention slot for your vehicle, the specific groove for the CAT 785, or the alternate groove for the CAT 789 and 793 haul trucks. The spring-loaded plunger automatically locks it in, ensuring it can't slip. Attach the split ball stud guide sleeve to the top of the cylinder piston. This keeps the stud aligned during the press. Apply hydraulic pressure. Instead of guessing, watch the red position indicator bars on the capsule. As soon as the bar enters the bearing removed zone, the part is free. Stop pumping and release the hydraulic pressure. Remove the ball stud guide. Next, pull the spring-loaded plunger to release and safely detach the cylinder. Rotate the red locking lever 180 degrees to unlock and remove the main body. With the lower components cleared, carefully lift the capsule straight up and completely off the steering eye. Slide the bearing guide over the assembly to secure the split halves and safely remove them together. No hammers, no heat, no damage to the bore. Improper alignment during installation causes premature wear. The BSBIRT eliminates this variable, ensuring a perfect set every time. We start by mounting the retainer and body to the empty eye. This creates a stable jig for the new components. Next, mount the cylinder assembly into the body. Ensure the spring plunger clicks to secure it. Snap the spacer onto the cylinder piston. This simple component is the key to perfectly centering the ball stud. Now, fully extend the hydraulic piston. This raises the spacer to the top, ready to receive the stud. Place the new stud into the recess and assemble the split bearings. Notice how the tool holds the weight, allowing the technician to focus on clean assembly. Slide the bearing guide over the assembly. This locks the split bearings in perfect alignment with the stud. Release the pressure. The cylinder retracts, gently seating the guide into the retainer. Remove the spacer and detach the cylinder. Remove the body. What you're left with is a ball stud, and bearing that is perfectly square and ready to be pressed. Now for the install. Slide the body onto the retainer and rotate the retainer lever 180 degrees. Next, mount the cylinder assembly into the body. Ensure the spring plunger clicks to secure it. Stand clear and apply pressure. The tool can be used up to 10,000 pounds per square inch, which will then apply up to 10 tons of force onto the assembly for smooth insertion. Watch the gauge. When the movement stops and pressure spikes, the bearing is home. Retract the cylinder. Remove the tool. Fast, safe, and built for the mining environment. Engineered to reduce safety risks and maximize machine uptime. With Geographe, your mine machine challenges are solved. Visit geographe.com.au to learn more.